How did he drill a well with just a hand drill? A man ingeniously used a common hand drill to excavate a drinking water well. Before delving into the actual digging, let's introduce the man's homemade well drilling ring. This rig, the main tool for drilling, consists of a steel pipe welded frame with a central fixture for securing the hand drill handles on both sides, one end connected to the water pump's outlet pipe and the other end fitted with a bicycle brake lever. During the drilling process, he could easily start and stop the hand drill at any time, making the operation quite convenient. The drill bit, as you might guess, is just that, a drill bit. The front end of the bit is shaped like this, with 4 iron plates welded in the middle to enlarge the well opening. The bit itself is a hollow steel pipe connected to the water pump. During use, not only speeding up the excavation, but also using the force of the water flow to bring the mud and sand from the well to the surface. As for how it works, we'll see that very clearly later on. The pit the man dug for storing water is also an essential tool for this method of well digging. A small trench is dug along the edge of the pit, and the well-specific location is set here. After placing this clamp and propping up a tripod, the preparations for well digging are nearly complete. For the hand drill part, a rope is tied to the tripod for ease and efficiency. The drill bit is screwed on, the brake lever is squeezed, and the hand drill is ready to start. Once the setup here is adjusted, the next step is to connect the water pipe to the drill. To prevent debris from clogging the pump, installing a filter at the front end of the pump's inlet pipe is essential. Placing it in the water pit, connecting the pump's outlet pipe to the handle, and the well digging can officially begin. This equipment makes well digging quite convenient and fast, basically a one-person job. We can see signs of the mud and sand being flushed out by the water, and the following animation will clearly show the working principle of this method of well digging. The arrows indicate the direction of the water flow. Using the pump to pressurize, transporting through the drill pipe to the well frame, grinding the mud and sand with the drill bit along the well pipe to the surface, then settling in the pit repeatedly. Operating in this manner, a water well can be dug. Did you get all that during the excavation? The man also adds a drilling fluid to the water, which reacts and foams upon contact, increasing the water's viscosity, making it easier to bring the mud and sand from the well to the surface. Next is the repetition of digging downward, changing the drill pipe operation until reaching the water layer. Once the well meets the expected requirements, the remaining step is the installation of the well pipe. The bottom end of the well pipe is simply cut into slits with an angle grinder, then covered with a layer of filter mesh. Once the well pipe is fully placed, the well frame is reduced to a low flame. Large grain sand and gravel are poured around the well pipe. Finally, a well attack operation is performed with the water pump, and the hand-drilled water well is ready for use.